Hi there, kids. Today's topic is Bossy R. So we'll learn to read AR words. Let's get started. Kids, do you know why the letter R is called bossy? Because when vowel is followed by the letter R gets bossy and it controls the sound of the vowels that comes before it. That's why it is called an bossy R. So for now we'll only focus into R controlled AR words. Kids, sing along to know the AR sound. When R is standing next to A, next to A, next to A, when R is standing next to A, it makes a pirate sound. R, R, R. So kids, the letters A and R together makes a pirate sound. R, R, or just remember to say the letter name R, as both the sounds are just the same. For example, K, R, car. J, R, jar. F, R, far. R, arm. R, t, art. St, R, star. P, R, k, park. K, R, d, card. R, farm. Sh, R, k, shark. Let's practice some more words. Bar, barn, cart, dark, harm, start, march, large, parcel, garden. Now practice session. Kids, it's your turn to read. Start reading. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye bye, kids. See you later.